What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you all how to make your own seed starting mix using Coco Coir the easy way for a fraction of the cost of the stuff at big box stores. If you are fairly new to Coco Coir, you are probably used to seeing them sold in those big 10-pound bricks, but those are used to make bulk quantities of mix, usually for larger containers, and they are inappropriate for most seed starting mixes because you're going to wind up with way too much Coco Coir and you won't know what to do with the excess. I recommend you use these 8-inch bricks of Coco Coir. They are specifically cut to use for seed starting mix because you wind up with a reasonable quantity, and if you want to know where to get packs of these for really cheap, I'll link to them down in the video description. First, we must hydrate the brick of Coco Coir. We will place a large pot of water on the stove and bring it to a simmer because hot water will expand the core quickly. Then we will place the Coco Coir brick in a large, heat-proof container like a 5-gallon bucket. The core will expand 5 to 7 times its original size, so make sure the container is large enough. When the water simmers, take it off the stove, pour it over the brick, and place a lid on top to seal in the steam. After 20 to 30 minutes, you will have a partially hydrated brick. In its raw state, Coco Coir can be high in salt and have a poor calcium to magnesium ratio since it is a product of coconut husks, so we will want to buffer it and remove excess salt. Add a 1/4 cup of either dolomite lime or azomite, which contains calcium and magnesium. Then fill the container with cool water and allow the core to soak in the solution for several hours. After soaking, drain the core through a strainer and squeeze out excess water to remove the unwanted salts. Now that our Coco Coir has been hydrated, buffered, rinsed, and wringed back out, it is ready to turn into seed starting mix. And in order to do that, we are going to add in 4 cups of vermiculite that you see right here. Now this is vermiculite. What vermiculite does is it holds and retains an incredible amount of moisture while not making the mix heavy. It keeps it nice and light, and it also adds aeration to the mix. So this is perfect for seed starting mix because we don't want a coarse mix for seed starting because we are often filling small trays like this, and that won't do well with a coarse mix. The last ingredient that we will add to our mix is perlite. Now many gardeners mistakenly use perlite and vermiculite interchangeably, but they actually do opposite things. While they both do lighten and aerate the soil, that's all they have in common. Vermiculite actually retains moisture, whereas perlite actually makes a mix drain quickly, and it actually makes it retain less moisture. So the more perlite you add, the faster it will dry out. The more vermiculite you add, the slower it will dry out. So do not use them interchangeably, or else you may have a mix that drains too quickly. Now I'm going to add the same amount of perlite to this mix, 4 cups or 1 quart, but you have to make sure it is a very fine perlite. You can't use a coarse perlite because a fine perlite will allow the mix to fit in little seed trays like this. If you use a coarse perlite, you have to use larger containers because they won't fit in the smaller containers. So feel free to use a coarse perlite if you want to start your seeds in large 3-inch containers like this. But if you want to use smaller standard 72 cell seed starts, I recommend you use either a very fine perlite or you skip it altogether. And now I have just beautiful, light, loamy, airy, luxurious seed starting mix that is just perfect for starting any seed in any size container. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.